Hey there mga my loves, Taurus! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, no, getting to know yung mga messages for you guys, so ng iyong mga angels and guides, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan. Welcome rito tuloy po sa aming community. At sa mga pabalik-balik na mga viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, we do not have any gender right here. Yan, no? Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will, no? You're free to use that or gamitin yan. So, let's go ahead and check out these messages here for you. Lovely Taurians. Thank you so much. Archangel Michael, together with the angels and spirit guides, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my Taurus people. Taurus. I'm seeing ball pen, so maybe you could be carrying that every day inside your bag, you know? Or this is you could be someone here writing or related sa pagsusulat ng iyong trabaho. Someone here could be working in an editor company, mga ganyan. Or maybe this is you just love here writing. Or baka mahilig kang mag-jot down, magsulat, no? Lalo na kapag kami mga dapat kang gawin, sinusulat mo. Yan. Taurus. Tell me something about Taurus, please. Taurus. Okay. So let's go ahead and check these messages here for my Taurians out there. You do have here the Seven of Swords, followed by the Devil energy. The Chariot card got two major arcanas already. Two of Coins. Strength card is the third major arcana. King of Swords. Right at the bottom of the deck, Knight of Pentacles energy, Nine of Cups, Ten of Swords. Five of Coins, High Priestess right here, Nine of Swords. Beautiful kasi yung nakuha ko rito, may problema ritong paparating, pero bago pa dumating yung problema, may solusyon na. Bongga. So, ibig sabihin, excuse me, may problem ditong paparating. Okay? And I think may kanalaman yun sa pera. Pero bago pa dumating yung problema na yan, may solusyon na. May solusyon na rito magpapakita sa iyo. Or may solusyon ka ng may isip dito. At ang maganda, effective po yun, no, Taurus? Effective yung solusyon na yun. So, nakikita ko rito, bongga, no? Wala pa yung problema, pero may solusyon ka ng ganda nun, guys, no? Pero whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito, no, na parang, it's something here na posibleng pinagdaanan mo na kasi ito before, or you already heard this, no, baka pinagdaanan na to ng friend mo, someone you know, no, and then this is you, pwedeng trinay mo ulit, no, na gawin yung ginawa niya, no, and it's somehow effective, no, or maybe this is something here na nalampasan mo na pala before. For others of you, it could be any situation, but for others, I'm picking up that it is related to money, pentacles, and coins, no? So, ang bongga, may solusyon na agad, no? Bago pa dumating yung problema na yan. And also, I'm seeing here for you guys, no? Na meron ditong energy. I think this is not you. Okay? This is not you. But I do see that this is someone here you've connected from dati. This is not all about your ex lang, pero pwede. Pero kung sino man siya, nakikita ko rito that this person here is someone who wants to protect something. May tinatago siya ritong lihim na pwedeng ayaw niyang malaman mo, ayaw niyang sabihin sa'yo, or bagay na parang gusto na lang niyang itago forever. This could be anyone ha. This is not just your ex, but posibleng siya rin yan para sa iba sa inyo. Yung iba naman, this could be someone you already know. Pero alam naman natin walang lihim na natatago, kaya kahit itago niya pa yan, no, sa kaibuturan ng kanya rito, no, na baga. Yan ay lalabas at lalabas pa din. Yan, no? So, when I say baga, pwedeng mga babes, no, This is something here na nagfi-flame, no? Puwedeng ito yung truth na puwedeng, magiging malakas yung impact or yung dating 'no, kapag ito ay na-reveal. Or puwede rin naman 'no, na itong tao na 'to ay nag-iinom ng madalas 'no, dahil dito sa bagay na ito. Basta may pinoprotektahan siya ritong 'wag sanang malaman mo or bagay na hindi na sana makarating sa'yo. Pero for some reason, hindi ko nakukuhang negative yun, pero 'pag nalaman yun, parang malaki yung impact. Yan, it's so intriguing ha, pero nakikita kong gano'n yun. Parang 'pag lumabas yun, may impact pero hindi negative. It's something here positive. Kung anong tinatago niya na yun 'no, importante yun sa kanya na 'wag malaman mo. Pero hindi magiging negative yung epekto nun kung sakaling malaman mo, okey? I hope we're getting clear doon 'no, sa parte na yun. So maliban dun, Taurus, I'm seeing na meron ditong energy na na posibleng literal ka rito na mag-iba ng plano. Ganito, posibleng may plano ka na, pero nakikita kong baka mabago pa yan, 'yan. 'No? So, nakikita ko dito na puwedeng kahit ano 'to, baka related sa negosyo mo, pera mo, trabaho, 'no? Or baka sa pagdedesisyon mo lang sa personal mong buhay, parang may plano ka na. Pero nakikita kong iibahin mo yung plano na 'yan 'no, last minute. At ang nakakaloka ganito yung nakuha ko diyan. May plano ka na 'di ba? Pinag-isipan mo yung plano na 'yan ng matagal. Ngayon, 'pag andun ka na sa sitwasyon na 'to, nakikita ko na yung plano mo na pinag-isipan mo ng matagal ay hindi mo gagawin at gagawin mo yung isang bagong plano na konti lang yung nalaan mo rito na panahon or ginugol doon para mapag-isipan yun. Pero ang maganda, gagawin mo pa rin yung bagong plano na yun 'no, compared sa matagal mo ng plano kasi dun mo mas mararamdaman yung intuition mo na yun yung mas dapat mong gawin. And I think it has something to do with your love life. Parang may matagal ka ng planong gawin, pero nakikita ko mag-iiba yan, last minute. Pero nakikita ko na baka ikaw 'to, "Miss yan, baka pagsisihan ko yan, na hindi. Ang mga Taurus ay hindi nagsisisi sa mga desisyong ginagawa nila. Yan. "Miss yan, sabi mo biglaan ko yang gagawin, baka pagsisihan ko yan, Hindi mo pagsisihan. Kung ano man yan, ituloy mo yung last minute. Kung ano yung mababago dito sa gagawin mo, maaaring yung ballpen na ipinakita sa'tin kanina ay ang gagamitin mo upang i-rewrite ang story ng buhay mo. So kung meron ditong kailangang baguhin and you feel like your intuition is on point and you wanna do it even though it's last minute, then do it, eh? Do it because you will definitely be happy and successful diyaan sa last minute na yan. Wow, you're really brave. You're really the bull, diba? A Taurus is a bull. So whatever the case may be, you're just showing me, your strength. I'm not saying you're regretting this, sweetheart, so go ahead, do it, Just do it. And also, I'm seeing right here that you are signing here a contract. I do see that this is somewhat here that really puts smile on your face, maybe related to a vacation, maybe you're thinking about visiting here, your dream country, travel. Maybe you're getting approved visa, or any travel here requirements, documents. I'm seeing you smiling. Okay, someone here is nakita ko na na-approved visa or related to travel or na-grant yung leave mo sa office. Even though it's quite long, I'm seeing you right here, happy about something here, signing a document. Others of you could be signing here a new contract because you are someone here na newly hired. So congratulations because I do see, parang meron ditong mga bago yung trabahong papasukin. I do see that, okay? I'm seeing you being chosen, Okay? Parang dikit yung laban dito, no? Parang puntos lang talaga, na parang point lang talaga yung naging basehan dito, pero wagi ka. Ikaw yung kukontakin, ikaw yung napili nila rito, Taurus, no? I know, because when the Taurus exerted effort, grabe. Wala talagang moment na pinapalampas si Taurus, lalo na pag gusto nila yung isang bagay, tuloy kung tuloy talaga. And I'm seeing you right here na meron kayong iniwan dito previously, or you just accepted here something that's so hard for you. Pwedeng ganito yan, no? Doesn't have to be na may departed loved ones kayo, pero maybe you love that person so much. And sobrang nahirapan kang tanggapin na wala na siya physically sa'yo. Pero whoever that individual is, maybe a family member, relative close to you, close to your heart. Pero now, you accepted the reality na one day, you will see each other again. And that you do not need na iyakan pa itong person na to, dahil alam mo na hindi rin naman siya magiging happy kung makikita ka niya na nakalugmok ka at na-stuck pa rin sa sadness, no? Because he or she had left you, departed from this world. Okay? For this of you, it's not a loved one who passed away. Maybe this is someone here na parang iniwan mo yung connection ninyo because it's not working anymore. Maybe it's your job you left because there's newly hired here. Maybe it's a relationship that you'd left because that person is no longer here giving you anything more than sa deserve mo. So, I'm seeing you walking away from something here, accepting here that you need to move forward and you need to gather here new things in your life. And I'm seeing that because of that, a wish from long time ago is about to happen. So if this is you, you feel like meron ka ditong wish na sobrang overdue na, then that wish is about to come true. It's a long time coming, but it's here now. It's a celebration. Yan, 21. Yan. Baka may fan dito ng 21, no? Ako yon. Sino pang fan ng 21 dyan, no? So, it's a copper celebration. Kasi yung beat nung kanta na yun, celebration, di ba? So, kung di niyo pa yun napapakinggan, pakinggan niyo yun, kanta yun ng 21, no? It's, legend talaga. Yung grupo nila yun, kasama dun si Sandara Park. Okay. So, yun mga babes, no? Aside from that, okay, my lovely Torians, I'm seeing you right here that this is you. You might be purchasing here either bahay or related sa bahay, lote, lot, land, or maybe this is you. You are I'm seeing someone here na parang magli-lease. Maybe you're opening here a business kind of thing. Others of you will be purchasing here a home or buying a new car or a vehicle. At kung ano yung paggagamitan mo doon, sobrang investment yun. Okay? So, nakita ko na you will definitely make use of that big time. And if it is an investment, this is something here that you will not regret. So, this is something here that you will buy. Maybe wala kayong sariling home ng family mo and you're gonna buy one. You're starting to make hulog to that. Okay? Whether it's house, maybe wala kayong ritong sariling car, no? And you just commute every day. Okay? And you find it na parang mas okay that you buy here a new motorcycle or vehicle right here, no? So that it will be your transportation every day. So maybe that's it. Okay? Or maybe it could be anything. Maybe you're gonna lease here a new business. Okay? Something here that will work for quite a long time and you're gonna make use of that. Okay? And you will not regret it. Okay? That car can be something here na pwede mo rin maging pang-deliver if you're doing here business. Diba? And, marami ka ritong magagawa dyan. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. You will benefit a lot from that, whatever it is, something expensive that you will purchase. Yan. And also, someone here is pinipilit niya rito magkaroon ng lakas ng loob sa'yo. Someone na pwedeng boss mo to or someone na medyo seryoso yung vibe niya. Pag tiningnan mo siya, parang kala mo seryoso siya. Tapos parang kung titingnan mo siya, kung di mo siya kilala, iisipin mo sa una na impression ay suplado siya or suplado siya. Yun yung nakikita ko sa energy niya. Pero ito, tingin ko kilala mo na 'to ngayon. So dito, nakikita ko that this person here is gathering a lot of confidence here. Trying to, okay, calm himself or kalmado ang kanyang sarili or ikalma, okay? Because this person here, he or she is having a confession of love para sa'yo. So, this person here is nakikita ko na achiever. Pwede rin namang literal na smart or intelligent. Masipag sa work, no? At wala akong masasabi sa kanyang background. Kasi pagdating sa pera, hindi niya yung problema. Okay? Matalino rin siya rito, tsaka maaaring matagal na siyang may eyes for you. Yun nga lang, sa dinami-dami ng ginagawa niya kabila ang meeting dito. Posibleng hindi siya dito makapag-set ng schedule. Miss yan. Baka mamaya pag in-accept ko yan, wala yang maging time sa akin. Ay, babe, pagdating dito sa pakikipag-relationship sa inyo, pinapakita sa akin dito na magiging all out siya sa'yo. Okay? But not necessarily pababayaan niya yung work. At hindi ka rin naman niya papayagan na ma-neglect yung feelings mo. So, in short, no, this person here, is posible marami nga siyang ginagawa. Marami siya rito mga planong pinag-iisipan para sa'yo. Kaya ayaw niya itong sabihin lang ng Taurus, gusto kita eh. No, ayaw niyang ganun lang. So, in short, expect mo na agad na pwedeng imbitahan ka nito sa isang dinner date or baka pumunta kayo sa isang place, no? Something special yung gusto niyang gawin dito. Yun yung gusto niyang gawin. Pero ngayon, busy kasi siya eh. Pero nakikita ko dito, pag naging kayo na, oo, busy siya sa work na, pero hindi mo mararamdaman yun. Like, literally, paano mo nagagawa yun, babe? Yan, no? Ganun nakikita ko sa'yo. Paano mo nagagawa yun, babe? You're sobrang busy, pero you make time for me, and nararamdaman ko yung presence mo, like, o ba si Superman? Anya, hindi siya si Superman, but he or she can definitely be one because he or she will make sure that everything is okay and fine with you guys. Brothers, if you could be already connecting with this person here, but for a lot of you, hindi pa to umaamin, so prepare yourself. Because someone with authority, someone that has a name, someone here that is a boss type of energy, sa kanyang energy, is preparing to have this special confession of love for you, Taurus. So thank you so much, sweetheart, for hearing this message. And if you are interested, we do have here other channel. The link is down below sa description box. Thank you. Sarang heyo. Love and light. Annyeong.